Yep.
Find out what I say to open number 2.
You better sit down.
I don't think you needed a bigger reaction.
Oh, wait.
I told you to sit down. JC, you better sit down.
Okay, do we have to scramble these words? I'm gonna get it.
Together.
Together. It's got to be done together. One word apiece. One letter apiece.
Now, what do you think we can go with this? Okay, You're the dummy that would never be able to
Hold on a second. Kathy, you're missing letters.
I'm not. Everything was put in there.
Can she find it right now or something?
There's no way.
They're all there. I just did it.
I wish that would happen.
Yeah, okay.
I don't see a word.
Jay, you were you were very warm for the first letter. We'll tell JC was holding the first letter.
Let him figure it out. I can tell you it's not a game.
I know.
So take the Sony out. It's not a game.
Well, Sony has stuff to do with it other than that. Can you do it again?
Why is it going to take forever?
I told you JC was warm. He had the first letter.
That's what he didn't.
No, that's not the first letter.
It's not the first letter. It's not the first letter, okay? What the crap? We can't find this out. Because you two...
Hey, relax and do it.
Is L the first letter?
No.
D.
Yes.
E.
Nope. You're cold.
W.
Cold.
I.
Ding, 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 ding.
I better see it spelled out.
No freaking way. No freaking way.
If you have that,
You better get envelope number 2.
I two, got it.
And don't knock my tree down.
I got two.
Caitlin, let him open up too.
Let him open up
You
too.
open up one.
I know. I said I can get
Be
it.
careful. Okay, open it up.
You gotta read it.
Okay, strictly out the team that has earned hit for 1 for each of the more outstanding.
Oh my God, we win next week!
We leave Wednesday.
Oh my freaking gosh!
We leave Wednesday.
I got 2 cards! I got 2 cards!
Okay, now we can